Are you planning to move soon and looking for the best, most affordable moving company in Albany, Georgia? Well, you're in the right place. Moving can be stressful, but with the right movers, it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll walk you through why we're the best local moving service in Albany and how we can make your next move smooth, easy, and affordable. Moving is inevitable for many of us, whether it's moving to a new apartment, relocating to a new city, or even across the country. The process is filled with packing, hauling, and, let's be honest, lots of stress. But with the right moving company, you can save time, avoid injury, and make the process a lot easier. So what sets us apart from other moving companies in Albany, Georgia? We're an award-winning moving company, providing both local and long-distance services right here in Albany. From packing to transporting your items safely, we've got you covered. Whether you're moving locally in Albany or relocating across the country, our expert movers are ready to handle your move with precision and care. Our services also include packing and unpacking, so you can relax while we handle the heavy lifting. Plus, we supply all the necessary packing materials to keep your items safe during the journey. We understand that moving can be expensive. That's why we offer competitive rates for both local and long-distance moves. Our pricing is transparent, no hidden fees, no surprises. So we're not just about transporting boxes. Our full-service moving solutions include residential moves, commercial hauls, furniture shifting, packing and crating services, storage solutions, specialty hauling, and heavy lifting. Plus, if you're looking for auto transport services, we've got you covered there too. We make sure your car is transported safely along with the rest of your belongings. We take pride in being a trusted, experienced moving company with a reputation for excellence in Albany. Our movers are fully licensed and insured to provide you with peace of mind throughout the entire process. We've handled all kinds of moves: residential, office, military, and even international shipments. And with over a decade of experience, we know how to make your move hassle-free. Not every move is the same, and that's why we offer customized services. Whether you're relocating from an apartment or a large house, we can create a moving plan that fits your needs and budget. Ready to make your move with Albany's best movers? Give us a call or visit our website today for a free, no-obligation quote. Our team is here to help with all of your moving needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. We'll see you on your next move.